All right, this is the quick review, and we've got multi-step inequalities. And remember, you solve an inequality just like an equation with the one exception, and we'll get to that in a moment. All right, so we got to distribute here. 3 times 2n is 6n. 3 times a negative 5 is a negative 15 less than 8n minus 9. Okay, when I see this, I say I want to get all my variables on one side. Now, again, with inequalities, I always move my variables from the right to the left. So I want to move this 8n. I'm going to add a negative 8n to both sides. Now, let me stop and ask, do I flip my inequality symbol? The answer is no, because I'm adding. It's only when multiplying or dividing by a negative that you reverse it. So adding up like terms, I get negative 2n minus 15 less than negative 9. Now I'm ready to isolate my variable. So I'm going to move the negative 15 first by adding its opposite to both sides. And we end up with a negative 2n less than a 6. I'm going to divide both sides by negative 2. And now I must flip my inequality symbol because I'm multiplying or dividing by a negative quantity. I've isolated my variable, and I get n greater than negative 3. Do you remember how to graph that? Okay, so the way we graph it is a circle over the negative 3 and an arrow to the right. The circle says the negative 3 is not included, and the arrow, any number under the arrow, is part of the solution. Now, again, technically, that should go right on the number line, but I like my students to graph it above the number line so it's clear what their answer is. All right, so circle over the negative 3, arrow to the right. If that would have been an equal to, it would be a dot over the negative 3 and arrow to the right. Hey, that's it.